Hello, family. Welcome back. Guys, come, we could go do some shopping for our house. So let's go for shopping. Let's go and buy plumber stuff and toilet stuff, bedroom, everything wey concerning your house. Come, we could go buy am. Thank you, guys. Please, do not forget to subscribe and like and comment. Thank you.
So this LED mirror that has like is 40,000. What about this one?
Now it's 45.
45. They have lights too. Okay, this one you put it on top of your toilet seat for children. Okay, how much?
Now it's 45.
35. Okay. Is it foam or what? It's foam, yeah, okay. Which one is this one? This one is something different.
This one now. The seat is here.
Okay. This one and the seat.
You see the seat.
Okay. How much?
Now it's 180.
180. 180. What is this thing?
Now it's also a seat. Okay, this one is also cabinets.
Cabinet.
They are putting it on top of marble.
On top of marble.
And all the marble slab.
Okay, put it on top. Okay. You put things inside.
No. Just as normal washing machine like this.
Okay. It's water basin. Okay, it's marble.
Yeah.
Marble water basin. Okay, that's whole.
Yes.
Okay. How much?
That one is 45,000.
45,000. You drop something there, boss. Now what is that?
No, now it's for cutting.
Huh?
Cutting.
Okay, for cutting. What are these things? This one, round one.
That one is stops. Yeah. Here you can keep your frames.
Okay, frames. How much?
That one is 12,500.
12,500. This power, what do you call power shower? How much is
That
this
one is
one?
150,000.
150,000 for power shower. What about this one?
This black one, that one 40,000.
40,000 for power shower. What about this brown?
The red, the ash, and the white. This one is 150.
150. Okay. What about the rest?
Those one 90.
90. Okay,
The
this
black
time.
and the black and pink. The one the black and pink. Now. Yeah.
Okay.
And they said it to the west, and the one was good. And they say, but that one is not for us.
This place is where? Your Cook Road.
Yeah, number 18 Cook Road.
Number
18.
18. Okay. This is the place you can buy all your
stuff.
Okay, from this stuff. Okay.
All the wire now.
So you'll be giving us the price one after the other. Now what is this thing?
This one is kitchen hood. Extract for kitchen.
Okay, to remove smoke.
Yeah,
okay. How much is this one?
That one is 110.
110. This one is a set. What is this one? Wash and basin.
Yeah.
Is it a set?
It's complete set.
Complete set.
Yeah.
How much is this
This
one?
one is 160.
160 for the complete set. This one is also a set.
Yeah. This one is a set.
It's a set. How much is this one?
150.
What about all these ones?
This one is 90.
90.
Yeah, this one is 85.
85. Okay.
This
This one is 90.
Yes.
This one is 85. What is the meaning of that word set?
That is the toilet and washing basin.
The toilet and wash and basin. Okay. What about these ones?
This one now. Look at the seat here.
Okay. This, what is this one?
Now is bathroom mirror.
Bathroom mirror. How much is it?
Now is 55,000.
What is this?
This one is also complete set.
Complete set. How much is this
Now
one?
is 450,000.
450,000. This one is the black one.
This black.
Okay, this black.
pink. That one is 45,000.
This black or pink is 45,000.
Yes.
What about water heaters?
Yeah.
And bring sample so that we know how much. This tap is how much?
How is 40,000?
For the tap is water heater tap.
Yeah, what?
What about this one?
All this one is normal one.
Normal one.
Like this one is 5,000. This one is 15,000.
This one is 15,000.
This one is 18,000.
Water heater. 5 years guarantee. I think water heater is by is it liter or what?
This one now is 15. 115, half 10, half
15. Okay, how much is this one?
This one is 40,000.
40,000.
15 liter. The 10 liter, 35,000. The 30 liters. That one is 50,000.
You can use your phone for fun. You don't online, don't use it. And then my token don't fly. What is size plan? My token is like
This one is Italian. Okay.
130.
130.
Leaving the water
Leaving the
basin.
water basin. And all these taps.
There are different prices.
And the different price. The blue one is how much?
That one is plastic.
Plastic. Plastic is how much?
1.5.
1.5. What about the
Then this one.
This one?
6,000. This one 4.5.
4.5. Okay. The next one, okay.
Like this one is this one too.
Okay. How much?
4.5.
4.5. What about this pink one?
The same price with this one. They are plastic 1.5.
1.5.
But I can give you this one for 4,000.
Okay. This green one is how much?
The same price, plastic 1.5.
1.5. What about this one?
This one is hot and cool.
Hot and cold. How much?
20,000 for this one. This one is 15,000.
Oh. This hot and cold.
This one.
But we thought maybe Cook Road is cheap.
The price I give you, if you check it another place, you will not see that price.
How much for this glass?
Wholesale price.
Okay, wholesale price here.
Yeah.
Okay, because here is the wholesale price. Okay. What about this to wash toilet?
Okay. This one is 2,000.
Okay. What about this one is 2,000?
This one is 1,000.
1,000. Okay.
2,000 also.
2,000.
This one is 1,000.
1,000.
And this one is 2,500.
2,500.
We have towel hanger.
Okay, towel hanger.
Yeah, towel rail. This one is 4,500.
4,000.
I can give for 4,000.
Okay. What about this one?
This one is soap dish.
Soap dish.
Yeah.
Okay.
This
How
one
much?
is good. This one is 1,000. This one is 2,500. We have another one.
The doesn't rust.
No. Don't take it to
Oh.
this one. See, also soap dish.
Okay. How much is this one?
2,500. For instance, you are buying one toilet.
One toilet. Yes.
You're going to buy one of this one.
Mm-hmm.
If you buy it with set,
Set. Okay.
And set is with wash and basin.
Okay.
So
you buy one. What do they call this one?
Flexible connector.
Flexible connector. How much is it?
500. This one is the original one.
Original one.
This choice.
Okay, choice. You buy with this
Buy
one.
this one. This one you use it to connect wash and basin.
Okay.
This one. Then, since if you are buying one, for instance, you are buying one set.
Yeah, one set.
You buy this one. Two.
Okay,
One
two.
for this one.
One for this one. Go with two.
Then you buy this one. One.
What is this one?
This one is magic post.
Okay.
Then you buy this one. One to
What's
connect the toilet.
What is this one?
This is fan connector.
Pan. Don't bring it out. Pan.
I want to show you how it is.
Okay.
This is the original one. They have fake, but this one is original.
How much for this original?
I don't sell it. It's 2.5.
It's the original that we.
Yeah, I don't sell fake.
Okay. 2.5.
Then you buy angle bar.
Angle bar.
Okay. To fix it, I'm telling you now.
Okay.
This one is anti-rust.
Anti-rust.
buy
Okay,
two of
for
this
shower.
No,
For-
to fix the toilet and the wash hand.
Okay.
You buy
Anti-rust.
2 of this one.
How much is this one anti-rust?
It's 1.3.
1.3.
Use one here, use one here. Then you will now buy one gum.
One gum. Okay. How much for this gum?
This one is 1.5. So that's all. We will now make choice for tap to fix some leaks. I can write
Like
it for
what?
you.
That is. What is the name of this one?
This one is adapter.
Adapter. How much?
3/4 adapter. 100 naira.
Okay.
That can be for 17 naira.
What about this one?
That one is
Corner.
3/4 elbow.
Elbow. Okay.
100 naira.
Okay. So this one is what? Bathroom. How much is this one?
It's 1.3 million.
1.3 million.
Yeah.
Okay, for everything.
Yeah.
The connection, everything is this side. You say how much is this? No, this
This is complete set.
this complete set.
This one is 450,000.
450, including the tap,
Yeah, no.
everything.
No, without
Okay, without the tap.
Yes.
When I want to have the tap, how much?
The tap is 45,000.
The tap is 45. That is almost 500,000. Okay. What about this one?
This one now, the set is 350.
The set of this
Yeah, it's 350.
is 350.
The time.
Okay. What is this?
Now it's for Shabbos.
Wash and basin. Is it a set or just
No, just for Shabbos. You can put it in the dining.
Then how much is that?
Now it's 65,000.
5,000. Okay. This one is how much?
This one is also cabinet.
One cabinet, 150 for the cabinet, excluding the tap. The tap. Okay. It's the same with this. What about this toilet? What did they call this toilet?
Call it egg shape.
Egg shape.
Yeah.
How much is this?
Now it's 280.
280
Yeah,
with wash and basin. Egg shape. Is there any other variant? If there's something else that is okay. What is this one? This is a bath.
That one is shower.
That one is shower. Shower cubicle. How much is the shower? This one is bigger. 120. This one is shower cubicle 120.
We still have this one.
Huh?
We still have this
Which one? Okay,
toilet.
the toilet.
This one is 1.8.
This one is 1.8. That's the wash and basin. What about mirrors?
That one is LED.
Huh?
The mirror is LED. Have light.
That's light.
Yes.
Okay. Kitchen sink.
Yeah.
This is which one? Double. How much?
15,000.
What about this single?
Single 5,000. But I can give you some for 14,000 if you want.
Okay.
The double.
Okay. The double. 14. Okay. What is the name of this place?
You are in Cook Road.
Cook Road. Okay. No, no worry. Like this one. What is this one?
This one glass basin.
Glass bay. Can you use it in hotel? Another
For
place.
bedroom, dining.
Dining.
Anyway.
Anyway.
Basin. You fix tap here.
Okay.
There is hole here. You fix tap. Tap will go like this.
Okay. This hole here.
Yeah.
Okay. The tap will now
Come like this.
Okay. How much for this one?
This one is 70,000.
70,000.
It's something like this. This one goes
Okay.
with mirror.
Okay. This one is a complete set
Yeah, with mirror.
with mirror.
Smaller.
Okay. It's a set. How much? With the tap or no tap?
No, without tap. But if you want the tap,
No, without tap.
without tap, yes.
How much is a complete set like this?
150, sir.
150.
With the tap, 165.
How much did you say yours now?
150.
Okay, the tap is 15,000.
Yeah. It's hot and cold.
Okay, hot and cold. You don't need to buy that water heater
You
machine.
buy water
You still buy water heater. Hey. You see, this is the small one.
Yeah.
This one is also a set
Yeah.
with this boss.
With the boss, yes.
Without the tap. But the tap, this one is also going with it, or this one?
No, the shower is different.
Okay, the shower is different. Okay. How much is a set like this?
This one now with the mirror, 120.
120.
Yeah.
This shower. This shower is complete set, 35,000. Okay. What about this
shower?
This shower.
This one is 25,000.
25,000. Just the shower. What about this one?
This white one.
Mm.
We sent it with that good black.
Okay.
35.
35. But the glass. What about the mirror?
Goes different.
Eh? The mirror goes different.
Yeah.
Okay, the mirror is standing on its own.
Yeah.
How much is the mirror?
The mirror is 14,000.
14,000. Okay. What about this mirror?
This one is sensor mirror.
Huh?
This one is also, yes, if they bring light now, they show light.
Okay, it has light run.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is more expensive.
Yeah. 30,000.
30,000. This one is bait. What did they call it? Bait top.
This one, yeah, it's bat.
Bat. Okay.
Then this one is jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi. Okay. Yeah. What is the difference between bat and jacuzzi?
This one has Bluetooth.
Bluetooth?
Yeah, it pumps water out. That tap has, look at the Bluetooth here.
What is the Bluetooth for?
You can play music.
Ah.
And this one.
You have speakers and everything.
Yes.
You have hot and cold.
Hot and cold water.
Okay.
But this one is just ordinary bat.
Ordinary. The bat is ordinary bat.
Just ordinary bat.
How much for this ordinary bat, as you call it?
This one is 85,000.
And you call it ordinary. What about the jacuzzi?
Jacuzzi is 250.
You can fix it both in your house, hotel, everywhere.
Yes, okay. Everywhere.
What is this one?
Shower.
So this one is shower.
Also is power shower.
Power shower. How much?
85.
85,000. It's also the same thing with this power. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, that mirror too, 14,000.
Okay, the mirror is 14,000.
This one is 12,000.